You don't need extreme workouts to change your body. You don't need expensive gyms or perfect diets. You need consistency in just 30 minutes a day. Sitting all day is slowly damaging your body. Your muscles weaken without movement. Your energy drops without you noticing. Is simple daily movement. Not intense, not extreme, just consistent. Your body only needs activation, not punishment. People start too hard and quit too fast. They chase motivation instead of habits. They expect results in days, not discipline. Like a machine, your body needs daily movement. If it stays still, it rusts. If it moves daily, it grows stronger. Start your day with light stretching. Wake your muscles before your mind. This increases energy for the whole day. Walking is underrated but extremely powerful. It burns fat without stress. It improves heart and mental health. Push-ups, squats, and planks are enough. No equipment needed, just your body. Consistency builds real strength. Jumping jacks, high knees, fast movement. Short bursts increase metabolism. Your body becomes a fat-burning engine. It is not too hard to quit and not too easy to ignore. It is the perfect balance for habit building. Your body follows your mindset. When you move daily, your brain becomes stronger too. Confidence starts building naturally. After 7 days, you feel lighter. After 14 days, you feel stronger. After 30 days, your life changes. I don't have time is not true. 30 minutes exist in every schedule. Excuses block transformation. You don't need a gym. Your home is enough. Your body is your equipment. Motivation disappears. Discipline stays. Even on bad days, move a little. That is how transformation begins. Week 1, light walking plus stretching. Week 2, add bodyweight training. Week 3, increase intensity slowly. Week 4, build habit consistency. Fitness is not a challenge. It is a lifestyle choice. Small actions create big bodies. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share it so others can start their fitness journey too.